한식명인 경남 대표 박경래입니다.
어서 오세요. 네. 그럼 또 신발.
It wasn't really hard working with the Korean master chef. So I really loved it.
We learned a lot from her how to make the Korean food.
진짜 맛있게 먹었어요. 또 다시 이런 음식을 먹고 싶습니다. 네.
It was my first time cooking Korean food. I'm learning from a good master chef. Today was so fun. We had a lovely time and the food was very delicious.
하나, 둘, 셋.
She was incredibly warm and welcoming.
She was really like a mother, like 엄마처럼.
만세 is girl, 까메 is boy. Yes.
If anyone wants to try and experience how to make Korean cuisine, even if you have never tried it, I would suggest 100% go for it. Like, it was so good.
Just come and give a try. You will love it, I'm sure.